They need to be specific, they need to be measurable, they need to be achievable, they need to be realistic, and they need to be time bound. Hey fam, thank you so much for stopping by. So it's November 2021, and guess what? I still haven't achieved all my goals, all the goals I set for 2021. What am I going to do? Never mind, it's fine, it's fine. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing our goals that were set for 2021. Okay, but before I go on, if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you like videos like this, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my updates going forward. At the beginning of 2021, so many of us made plans and set goals that we plan to achieve in 2021, goals that we plan to achieve in the new year. Okay, but then it's November and a lot of us still haven't achieved their goals. I included, I haven't achieved all my goals. And I sat myself down and I thought, you know what am I going to do? Okay, and I thought I'll make this video just to let you know that you are not alone on this journey of not achieving all your goals, okay? But having said that, what we want to do is ask ourselves why these goals were not achieved in the new year, because that's exactly what I did, okay? So I sat myself down and asked myself, okay, you had this goal, you had this goal, you had this goal. Why did you not achieve this goal? Why have you not achieved the goals so far? Okay, because we still have a few weeks to the end of the year, so those goals will still be achieved. So why have you not achieved the goals so far? Okay, so I thought I answered the question for myself, but I thought I'll bring it to you as well so that you can answer these questions yourself as well, okay, and make plans going forward. And remember, what we said at the beginning of the year was that we should break down our goals into quarterly goals, maybe weekly goals or monthly goals, whatever works for you, okay, and review your goals. And that's what we've been doing. But sometimes we get carried away. I personally got carried away pursuing a certain goal, taking my eyes off the other goals that I had that I could have achieved, okay? So I thought I would just share my experience with you there. Okay, so what do we do? So we're now in November. Okay, your goals are not achieved. What is the reason? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure to ask yourself if these goals you set were SMART goals. Remember that when we set our goal, when we decide to set our goals at the beginning of the year, one of the things I said was that your goals need to be SMART. They need to be specific, they need to be measurable, they need to be achievable, they need to be realistic, and they need to be time bound. So what you want to do is ask yourself, are these goals that I set at the beginning of the year, are these goals SMART, or were they SMART when I set them up? Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. So if you set your goals and they were SMART goals, then well done to you. So thumbs up to you on that. Okay, the next thing you want to ask yourself is, are these goals still achievable? Okay, so are you still able to achieve these goals within the next 4 weeks, within the next 5 weeks that are remaining in the year? Are you still able to achieve them? If you're still able to achieve them, then thumbs up to you. Okay, so if you think that with the way you are going, these goals will not be achieved, you want to ask yourself, is there anything I can do so that I can achieve this goal within the set time, within the time I've set for myself to achieve this goal? At the rate I'm going, I'm not going to be able to achieve it, but is there anything I can do so that I can achieve this goal? So it might be that you double up on what you're currently doing. Okay, but let's say for instance you're not able to achieve this goal, so even if you double up, if you triple up on your actions, you won't be able to achieve those goals. Then you want to know that it is fine. Okay, you set these goals for yourself, so you're also able to move the goalpost a little bit. So you need to give yourself a bit more time. Okay, so give yourself a bit more time. So maybe give yourself another month, or give yourself another 3 months or another 6 months to be able to achieve that goal, especially if you've done everything you can. So you set this goal for yourself, you said, okay, I'm going to achieve this goal in 6 months or within the next 12 months, and you come to the end of the 6 months or the end of the 12 months and you find out that you haven't been able to achieve that goal. Don't be too hard on yourself, especially if you know that you've done everything you can, you've done everything right. Okay, because there are times that things are outside your control, there are things that you can't do. So personally for me, one of the goals I set for myself, I didn't have control over a lot of things that will make that goal happen. Okay, and when it came to November, I'm like, okay, well, I did my best, I did everything I was supposed to do, but this thing didn't happen. Therefore, I'm not going to be too hard on myself. I'm just going to have to move the goalpost a little bit. So you can do that as well. Don't be too hard on yourself. You just need to move the goalpost a little bit. After all, you set the goal. Okay, you set the goal. You can also move it and make sure that you do everything you can to achieve that goal. Okay, and the final thing I'm going to talk about today is for you to be patient. Okay, be patient with yourself, be patient with the process in which you're going through. Okay, don't be too much in a hurry to achieve a goal, that you set a goal that is not realistic, a goal that is not, that you won't be able to achieve. Okay, be patient with yourself. Know that with time, everything would fall into place. So long as you keep working, so long as you keep going, so long as you keep taking steps towards achieving that goal, everything will fall into place. Okay, so this is just a quick one from me today. I hope it's been helpful. If it has been, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.